Sai Ram to all. Welcome you all in maths class. So, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at your places. So, children, are you studying at home? Okay, good, very good if you are studying at home. See, children, what we are going to discuss today? Today we are going to discuss a very important topic for you all. You all have to see this what we are going to discuss and what is its importance. See, today we are going to discuss the factor tree method. This is the activity. Today we are going to do an activity on this topic. So because I am going to discuss this activity with you because it contain marks, so when it is asked you in the group, so you have to submit this activity. Okay, yes. So let me start this activity. This is the activity we are going to do. The topic of the activity is factor tree method. See, what you have to do, you have to represent the number and you have to show its factor using a tree method. Okay, factor tree method using what? You have to use the matchstick. Factor tree method, and question is what? You have to do 10. How many questions you have to attempt? You have to show me 10 factor trees. Okay, if either it may be contain 10 marks or it may contain 20 marks, so you have to submit this in your whatever is in which you have to submit. Okay, that will be told you in your WhatsApp group by your class teacher. So you have to make 10 questions. How many? 5 and 5. You have to make 10 questions related to this activity. I am showing you 1-2 examples how you have to represent. Let's see first example. This is our first example, that is 60. How I have represented this? I have made the factor of 60. With the help of matchstick, you all have to do. I have break 60 into 6 into 10 into 6. Now I have break 10 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10. Now I have break this 6 into 2. 2 3 is 6. Same way, this is the first question I have done for you. Now let's see the second question. This is 90. We have to find the factor of 90. So we have 10 9 is 90. Yes. Now next we have to break for 10. So what it become? It become 2 5 is 10. Now we have here 9. So we break 9 into 9 and we break its into its factor, that is 3 3 is 9. So the factor for 9 is 3 3 is 9 and for a factor for 10 is 2 5 10. So this whole is the factor tree method. In same way you have to do 5 and 5, that is 10 questions, and you have to submit where your class teacher is whatever is told to you, where you will submit all the subjects related to your subjects. Same way you have to submit your maths work, maths activity. This is the activity you have to submit and you have to do the 10 questions. Okay, so I hope you all will do this 10 question and you all will submit it on time when it is asked for. So I hope this is beneficial for you all. Let's see the next factor of 20. See, this is the 20. 10 2 is 20 and 2 10 is 20. Same way we have to break. I have break 10 2 is 20. Now 2 is a prime number. We cannot break it more. So we have to break 10. Now 10 will become 2 5 is 10. Both are prime numbers, so we cannot go further. So this is the factor tree method. First one is this. Look at the picture again very clearly. See how clearly I have done for you. Same way you have to make 10 questions related to factor tree method. It is your choice I am giving you. You can take any questions. Okay, and you have to submit 10. When it is asked you in the group, then you have to submit all the 10 prime factor tree method, that is an activity, and then I will provide you the marks. So this contain marks, so you all have to submit on time when it is asked you in the group. You have to make 10 factor tree method according to the same which I have shown you and I have told you whatever I have explained you today. So I hope you all have got what I am telling to you. Okay, so let's meet in our next class. So Sairam and take care.